Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding bloat and its impact on FPS. Bloat in the context of software development, particularly in game development, refers to unnecessary code, assets, or features that add overhead to the performance of a game. This can lead to reduced frames per second, FPS, and overall performance degradation. In this tutorial, we will explore common sources of bloat, how it affects FPS, and provide code examples to illustrate the concepts. 1 Common sources of bloat. Excessive game objects. Creating too many game objects can overwhelm the game engine's ability to manage them, leading to performance issues. Heavy texture and asset sizes. Using high-resolution textures and large audio files can consume a lot of memory and processing power. Inefficient algorithms. Non-optimized algorithms can lead to unnecessary computations and slower performance. Redundant logic. Having multiple scripts doing similar tasks or duplicating logic can cause inefficiencies. Unused features. Code for features that are not used can add to the bloat. 2 How bloat affects FPS. When a game has too much bloat, the CPU and GPU spend extra time processing unnecessary data, which can significantly lower the FPS. This can lead to a less enjoyable gaming experience, especially in fast-paced games where smooth performance is crucial. 3 Code examples. Let's explore some code examples that illustrate how bloat can affect FPS and how to mitigate it. Example 1. Excessive game objects. Inefficient code asterisk. Optimized code asterisk. In the optimized code, we limit the number of enemies instantiated, which reduces overhead. Example 2. Heavy textures. Inefficient texture usage asterisk. Optimized texture usage asterisk. In the optimized version, we load a single texture instead of multiple large ones, reducing memory usage and improving rendering speed. Example 3. Redundant logic. Inefficient redundant logic asterisk. Optimized logic asterisk. In the optimized version, we ensure that both actions are triggered by a single key press, reducing unnecessary checks. 4 Profiling and testing. To effectively manage bloat, it's important to profile your game regularly. Use profiling tools available in your game engine, example Unity Profiler, Unreal Insights, to identify bottlenecks and areas of excessive resource usage. Conclusion. Bloat can significantly impact FPS and overall game performance. Identifying and optimizing areas of bloat such as excessive game objects, heavy textures, and redundant logic can lead to a smoother gaming experience. Regular profiling and testing are essential to maintain optimal performance. By following the examples and practices outlined in this tutorial, you can enhance your game's efficiency and ensure a better experience for players.